Do you want to make this, or this? First things first, you're going to need some yarn.
When you're starting out, I usually recommend a thicker acrylic yarn such as Amigo Chunky. It's easy to work with and very forgiving. Try to stay away from fuzzy yarns, dark yarns, or even thin yarns because they can make it hard to see your stitches.
Next, you're going to need a crochet hook.
Amigo Chunky recommends a 7mm crochet hook, which is a great size for beginners. Larger hooks make it easier to see your stitches and understand what's happening in your project. I'd recommend avoid using smaller hook sizes when you're first starting out.
So you're also going to need a tapestry needle or a darning needle so you can sew in your loose ends, or some projects actually require a bit of sewing too. So you're going to need this to easily sew in the yarn.
Once you start following patterns, you'll need to often measure your work. A measuring tape is essential for this. My personal favorite is the Heart Extractable Measuring Band since it recoils and it's easy to keep on hand.
Next, you're going to need a crochet stitch marker.
Stitch markers are used to mark your place in a project, such as the beginning of a round or a specific stitch. The crochet version usually looks like a small pin or clip that you can easily open and close.
Lastly, you're going to need some scissors so you can finish your project and cut it at the end. And that is all you need to get started with crochet.